Hi everyone, I'm Namita. Welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is going to be about how to choose your career, which is mostly after class 12. So what are the things that you need to consider before making a career choice? Now you will find a lot of knowledgeable content available on the internet, even on YouTube, where people will be talking about your interest areas or the subjects that you are good at, and of course meeting up counselors who will suggest you good career options and everything, which is not a big deal. Of course, you all know about it. I'm not getting into the technicalities of the career choices, which are already very limited in India. Only if the new education policy 2020 is implemented as it is explained to us. But otherwise, we don't have too many options. And I'm not even talking about the subjects and career options and all of that. I'm just talking about one very basic thing today, the thing that everyone should consider. Even if you have made a wrong choice, then also come back to it by thinking about this one thing, and that one thing is just live your own dream. We all have dreams. When we are a child, there was one thing we always used to tell about. Whenever somebody asked us, what do you want to become? Many of us wanted to be pilots or actors or something big. We had bigger dreams. But as we grow up, we realize that these dreams are not achievable because the people around us tell us that these are not achievable. We learn the word no. No, this is not possible. We come to know that there is something called impossible. So these are the things which are told to us, and we start diminishing our own potential. I am just trying to say that jump back to your old dreams, jump back to what you wanted to become. I'm not saying that just go and become a pilot, but there were some greater things that you wanted to do. What happens, especially in India, is that we never get a chance to live our own dreams. It is a trail, it is a pattern that is being followed years after years, generations after generations. What happens is that the parents don't live their dreams. Now suppose a parent wanted to be a teacher, but his or her parent asked them to become doctor because it was their dream to be a doctor, and since they could not become doctor, now they want their children to be doctor. Now the child has a dream to become a teacher, but he or she has to become a doctor. They pursued the studies and whatever happened. Now, since there is a dream which is still somewhere sparkling into their hearts, now they want their children to live that dream. Now they want their child to become a doctor, who might want to become a fashion designer. Now the fashion designer who had to become a teacher to fulfill her parents' dream is going to impose that dream on the children. Are you getting my point? What am I trying to say here? I'm trying to say here that we don't take charge of our own dreams. What we do is we impose that thing on our children. Can we, this generation, stop this pattern? Can we stop just imposing or carrying it forward, the dream of our own? We can fulfill our dream at any age, at any stage. It is not literally that we have to have it as a career, but we can always pursue it as a hobby. If there is something that we really wanted to do, if there is something that we love to do, we would do it. We will anytime do it. Let's become the first generation to break the pattern. Stop doing the things that your parents want you to do. Do the things that you want to do yourself. This is the only thing that I want to say, that break that pattern. Do what you want to do, not what your parents want to do. If they are genuinely interested in fulfilling their dreams, if they seriously want one thing to happen, they can do it even now. Maybe not as a primary career, but maybe into an NGO, or maybe by just helping people, they can do it. But please don't consider what other people wanted to do in their life as your career option. Let your career option be your first choice. Live your own dreams. Have your own career choices. Please stop carrying forward other people's dream by killing your own. That is the only thing which I want to say, that if you want to have a career, if you want to pursue a career, just have a career in something that you want to do. That is all. I have no big things to share with you all today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it changes even one person's attitude in choosing his or her career, I'll be really happy. Consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.